Zicela usizo lokubuya ekhaya zakhamuzi zaseNingizimu Afrika ezibambeke eQatar kulandela izinxushunxushu zase-Middle East emva kokuthi iMelika ngokubambisana ne-Israel ihlasele i-Iran.
U-Amanda Skhosana, uXolile Khumalo, uThembeka Mntambo noZinhle Mbatha selokhu bebambeke eQatar ukusukela ngoMgqibelo. Inye nje into abayicelayo ukubuya ekhaya.
Mina bengicela nje bangisize ukuthi nakuvula ama-airport bangisize nge-flight ticket ngikhambe ngekhaya ngiyawulisa lo msebenzi ngizawuthola omunye umsebenzi eSouth Africa like impilo yami izakubhala. So bengicela nje isizo lokuthi net nakuvuleka net i-flight ticket ngikhona ukuya ekhaya.
And for now, I also think ukuthi njengoba sila in this current moment, the most important thing, because we're even scared to go outside now, the most important ukuthi sithole ukudla, sithole amanzi.
Kepha kunzima nokufinyelela endlini yenxusa laseNingizimu Afrika ngenxa yokunqamuka kwezokuxhumana kulandela lezi nxushunxushu.
Kunama-link a-viral ukuthi if you are South African, useQatar, useDubai, ukuphi, nawo amanamba ongawa-contacta, nayo i-link ongarejista khona izinto zakho. But i-link le ayisebenzi, amanamba lawo athi abhisi.
Nasi isicelo esibheke kuMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Sicela i-reassurance from the president because the situation is a bit unstable, so we'd like some sort of communication and some sort of reassurance ukuthi what plans is he going to take ukuthi abone ukuthi si-right yini.
Likhuluma emva komhlangano wesikhungo i-International Atomic Energy Agency, inxusa lase-Iran ku-UN naku-IAEA, uReza Najafi, ligxeke kakhulu ukuhlasela kweMelika ne-Israel. Lithi kubugebengu i-Iran izoqhubeka nokuzivikela.
Under international law, these strikes are unlawful and constitute crime of aggression. According to the IA resolution, such attacks are violation of the agency's statute. That's why Iran, joined by Russia and supported by China, called for a special session of the IAEA.
Ukuhlasela e-Iran kweMelika ne-Israel kuqinise kakhulu ukubukana ngeziqu zamehlo kulandela ukusocongwa komholi we-Iran u-Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. I-Iran ibe isiphendula ngokuhlasela izizinda zempi zeMelika ezisezifundeni zama-Arab yahoxisa izingxoxo zezikhali zenuzi neMelika.
Kanti-ke umnyango wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba awutholakalanga ukuthi uphawule ngalezi zakhamuzi zakuleli ezibambeke eQatar kuze kwafika isikhathi sezindaba okhulumela umnyango engakatholakali ocingweni uma ecelwa umbono wakhe.